All right, again, we're solving. So step 1 is set the quadratic equation equal to 0. And if you see that right here, it is already equal to 0. So step 1 is done. So I'm going to put a little check mark here. Step 2 is factor. So again, we only factor if it's in standard form with ax squared plus bx plus c. And then when we factor it, we get our 2 parentheses. And if you notice, we have our 2 parentheses here. And so because of that, we are done. We've already factored this. This is in factored form. So we are done. So step 3 says we're going to set each factor equal to 0 separately. So we're going to drag this right here, and we're going to drag this one right here, and we're going to set them equal to 0. So 3x minus 4 equals 0, and x plus 1 equals 0. And we're going to solve these separately. So I'm going to write this one off to the side. 3x minus 4 equals 0. Draw a line down. So we have to get rid of 2 numbers. We have to get rid of the 3 and the 4, and we always add or subtract first. So we're going to add 4, and that zeroes out. Bring down your 3x equals 4. And then to get rid of that 3, we divide. We always divide last. So divide by 3, and we're going to go ahead and leave that as a fraction. I'm going to pull up my Desmos, but if you put that in Desmos, it just stays 4 over 3. So here is one of our answers. Now I'm going to do the same thing with this one. X plus 1 equals 0. This one's a little bit easier. I just need to get rid of that 1. So the opposite of plus 1 is to minus 1. On both sides, that zeroes it out. X equals, and if you do 0 minus 1, you get negative 1. So here's your other answer. And because these are different, you have 2 solutions. If they're the same number like the first one we did, it has 1 solution, but this one has 2 solutions. So again, we're going to put it in our bracket. And so hit the shift and right next to the P. And so I'm going to do my bracket, and then I get 4/3, comma, negative 1, close your bracket, and you're done.